Hey weld warriors and DIY dynamos. Welcome back to the channel where we're all about turning metal into masterpieces. Today, we're diving deep into the world of inverter welding machines, those compact powerhouses that are changing the game for welders of all levels. Get ready to see some serious arc action, learn about the latest technology and find the perfect machine to ignite your next project. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future welding wisdom. We'll be showing you these machines in action and all the links to check them out are waiting for you down in the description below. Let's explore the power within. Number 5. Brand name, Hitbox, model number, MT202. Hitbox's unique LCD display design for human interaction gives you accurate data display and makes reading easier and clearer without removing the headset. Easy to carry with a handle, perfect for outdoor maintenance, farm equipment, road equipment and DIY. Hitbox MT202 welding machine could weld aluminum, iron, carbon steel, stainless steel etc. Applies to pipe installments, mold repairs, petrochemicals, architectural decorations, car repairs, bicycles, handicrafts and general manufacturing. Even beginners can complete any task efficiently and easily with this machine. Hitbox professional wire welder supports gas, mixed gas and gasless function. The wire speed and output voltage will be auto-matched by adjusting current. Little splash, deep bath and smooth wire feeding bring you beautiful welding seam. High-frequency transformer with strong conductivity can save energy, resist to high temperature, provide long working hours and lower loss. Its strong anti-electricity fluctuation ability and high energy storage ability can stabilize output current. Number 4. Brand name, HCX Vojan, model number, HVM140. The HCX Vojan HVM140 series is designed for a wide range of applications, delivering exceptional performance. With a current range of 30 to 140 ampere, it's perfect for welding various thicknesses of steel, making it an ideal choice for all your welding projects. Easily fine-tune your settings for precise results every time. The portable flux core welder comes with a digital screen. The intuitive interface saves time, reduces errors, and boosts productivity. The machine has an easy-to-read circular display and automatically adjustable wire feed speed, simplifying the welding process even for beginners. Number 3. Brand name, ANDELI, model number, MIG270. ANDELI MIG270 welder is a breakthrough machine, real 200 ampere output current, strong input makes you fall in love with welding. IGBT inverter technology, utilizing the efficiency and reliability of multiple IGBT inverters allowing a huge increase in duty cycle. Meaning you can push this powerhouse to the limit and beyond. Digital control and automatically match the recommend current and wire feeding speed when selecting the diameter of welding wire and gas material. Also you can adjust the welding current according to your welding habit. Easy to work with beginners or professional welders. More intuitive synergically designed, this gasless welder has wire feed speed control so that you can weld smoothly and excellently by adjusting it to suit your application. You can operate it easily even though you are a welding beginner. Number 2. Brand name, Arccaptain, model number, TIG200P. The Arccaptain AC/DC TIG welder with pulse, triangular, and square waveform is a versatile machine fit to help complete various precise projects. Whether you're welding vehicle bodies, metal furniture, pipeline, sculpture, or thin plates, the TIG welder is unmatched for true hands-on craftsmanship. The AC/DC TIG welder is equipped to prevent the burning of materials and minimize material distortion from excessive heat input, as well as the triangular wave reduces the heat input effectively, so the weld forms rapidly. It is easy for thin metal welding, square wave can switch the polarity quickly, dynamic arc for a stable weld pool. A strong ability to clean aluminum oxide film, so it provides more precise welding on aluminum or aluminum alloy. The patented dash arc technology improves arc striking speed, welding efficiency, and results, while the pulse, square, and triangular waveform functions prevent material burning, minimize distortion, and improve bead appearance. The digital control system makes the machine reliable and stable, and the large LED display allows for easy parameter adjustment. Portable and high quality, it's ideal for professional projects in any environment. Excellent value for money, perfect for those looking to start welding without spending much money. Easily adjust parameters such as preflow, base current, slope, and pulse frequency. Reduces distortion, protects materials from overheating, and improves weld bead quality. Number 1. Brand name, Arccaptain, model number, MIG30. The MIG30 welding machine is a versatile tool that allows you to weld various materials using different welding modes and parameters. The welder comes with an attached MIG torch and power cable. You can weld after unpacking the box, it's convenient to use. Built-in overcurrent protection, overload protection, overheating, and overvoltage function that extend the lifespan of the machine. The welder automatically matches the recommended current and wire feed speed for optimal performance. Automatically adjusts to voltage changes for consistent performance, along with overcurrent, overload, and overheating protection. The intuitive display and simple knob controls make setup quick and hassle-free. The sleek, lightweight design with multiple lift points ensures easy portability. The MIG welder is easier for beginners or those that are learning to weld and want to make small repairs around the house. Adjust the current and 10-speed variable feed controls for perfectly managed flux cord welding of carbon steel, stainless or even thicker steel, ideal for home DIY, outdoor repairs, rusty metal, farm and road equipment and maintenance and repairs. This lightweight, portable welder is built for durability and safety, making it a reliable choice for various welding projects. The welder's capability to switch among flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding modes caters to a broad spectrum of welding tasks. The MIG30 welding machine offers various modes and settings to accommodate different welding needs. By following the guidelines provided in this guide, you can optimize your welding performance and achieve excellent results across a range of materials and thicknesses. Remember to always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear and ensuring proper ventilation in your workspace.